Welcome, in front of me I have Sony Xperia 10 Mark II, and I'm gonna show you how to perform the hard reset by using the settings on this device. Let's start by opening the settings, and to do it, swipe upwards on the screen to open the app menu, and here tap on the settings icon. Once in settings, scroll down and tap on the system. Here tap on the advanced and then select reset options. Now tap on erase all data. Here tap on delete all data. Then tap delete all data again to confirm. And at this point the hard reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.